Today in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to make some highlights on your cursor or cursor highlights in your Microsoft Word Office, on your desktop, and your recording device, in anywhere you want to point out your work is in your mouse pointer. This video gonna help you. So to do that, the first thing you have to know is go to your computer setting. So click on your computer mouse setting, just right on mouse setting. Once you get the computer mouse setting, then at the top left corner you have to click on additional mouse option. Then once you click on that, and you will see the pointer option here. So once you click on your pointer, there is so many default features, and one thing I would like to tell you in here is you have to add some features here, because this is not available inside in your computer. So what is expected from you is you have to download this color options or highlight options. It may be green, it may be black, it may be red, it may be yellow, whatever. It depends upon your color choice. So for me, I selected like green. So to do that, first thing is first you have to go to your browser, computer browser, and once you open your computer browser, you have to check for the reloaded graphics. So click on the reloaded graphics. Then once you come to here, in this reloaded graphics, you see icons, cursors, images are available, and this is the most wonderful icon and cursor image downloading software on the website. So click on that, and then you have to write cursor highlight. Write in highlight. Write in cursor highlight. Cursor highlight. Okay, once you click on that, you'll see computer cursor highlight. So click on cursor highlight, and you can download different types of features as you want. So I have already downloaded this feature previously in my computer, but this is in order to show you. So click on that. It is a very small. This one is, I think, 7.5 kilobyte. It is an image form. Once you done that, you have to open in your computer, and then just unzip. It is a zipped file. You have to extract the file. Once you made an extraction, then you see this one highlight, then click on that, and you have to copy paste all this mark, then copy or cut as you want. So I made a copy because I need this original source file. So once you made a copy, then go to your computer settings, then come to Windows. So once you click on your computer Windows, you see cursor here. So look at your cursor. So under a cursor, once you made a copy, then you have to copy paste here. So it's available in my computer. I don't need that. So for you, you have to copy paste. And once you copy and paste, you will see different highlights. This is the yellow highlight. This one is as the middle. You will see yellow, green. The three colors are also cursor highlights are available in here. So once you did that, go to back your setting, and you have to browse. So for my case, I have made like this yellow. So click on that. One is you click, and it takes you to computer C cursor. So let me click on yellow. So just click yellow. So one is I made yellow here, copy. Okay, so I have made yellow here. So I have to save in. So to do that, just I have to change this yellow. Okay. So then, okay, it was already saved. So what's left? So once you did that, it is directly inserted on the default. So come to here and click on the default, then okay here. So once you made okay, as you can see, the background is completely changed from green to yellow. So look at here, come to your computer, open your document file, Word file. A background cursor is already changed. So come to insert, you have to see different options here. So the highlight color is popped up in your cursor. And additionally, if you are interested to go to your window mirroring, so here you see highlighting on your any kind of screen recording device. For my case, I have done this video with OBS. So here, so it's a very simple. You can open your PowerPoint also. So this is it. So This is all about what I have for you. Thank you to being with me. This video is helpful. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. God bless you. I'll come back with another beautiful video like this. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.